Hello and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday the 3rd of July with me, which is Pair Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. We're looking at cable now, which has been sort of moving in a downward trend in recent days, but there's been a recovery today. The last couple of weeks or so we've been trending lower, and that sort of move yesterday sort of looked to sort of reiterate that trend, but today we've had a positive reaction. 31.95 is the high today. That basically that trend line comes in at 32 figure, which is that old support, which has basically been a basis of resistance over the last two sessions on Friday and Monday. 32.15 basically is the breakout level, but 32 figure is that old support, and if we can sort of see cable breaking out above that resistance at 32.15, then we could really start to see a recovery building, because that would break that trend lower. You'd also start to see the RSI picking up as well. 42 the RSI now. It had been sort of restricted in the low 40s previously. So if it can get above 45, maybe towards 50, that would be interesting. That would be a signal that that's an improvement. MACD lines have been sort of hovering for the last sort of couple of weeks. Nothing really showing there yet, but the stochastics are ticking higher, and as I said, if we can break that downtrend, that really does start to sort of improve the outlook on a near-term basis, certainly if you can break above the 32 figure support as well. So this is an important stage for cable. You've seen a positive reaction this morning, as improvement in risk appetite has been seen, and the momentum indicators on the hourly chart are beginning to look a little bit more improved. MACD lines ticking back higher, stochastics rising, RSI up towards sort of the high 60s. So if the RSI can sort of hit into the 70s and above on the hourly, that would suggest that we're probably going to be pulling above 32 figure and starting to really gain a bit of momentum. But for now, this is at a crossroads, and it'll be interesting to see if it can break through that downtrend, because at the moment you'd still argue sort of you're still in a mood of selling into strength, so you need to break the shackles of that, which would be that downtrend and the resistance at 32.13. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.